Today I'm unboxing the Gerber DIME multi-tool. Okay, welcome back to a cold, snowy day here. I got this a couple months ago to do a video about it, but I haven't had a chance to open it yet, so I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride, so we're gonna do that now. Okay, I'm super excited to open this. Let's see here. Let's cut the tape. I need to sharpen my knife. I haven't done this in a while. Okay, we got this box open here. Some bubble wrap here. Gotta open this. This is one of those packages that you have to have a knife to open the knife. Let's get the scissors out here. Gotta get the scissors to open the. I don't want to cut the Gerber thing, but maybe I'll just cut across the bottom here. See if I can get into it that way. Yeah, we'll just cut across the bottom. Like this. There we go. Got that. Oh no. Of course it wouldn't. Trying to keep the package intact, but it's not working. I don't endorse doing this because you could hurt yourself, but I'm just gonna have to do it. Okay, so I get in here by the pliers. I'll cut through this. Come on, there we go. Okay, there we go. Nope, can't cut towards yourself. It violates the rules of knife safety. Let's get the scissors in there now. This is why I always carry a Swiss Army knife, is because, you know, it's so much better than regular knife. Hopefully I'm still in the frame here. If I'm not, I apologize, because I can't really reshoot the cutting of plastic. So let's see here, we're almost down here to the end. Okay, come on. Okay, Gerber, if you're watching, I've loved your products in the past. I love the way they look. I like everything. It'd be nice though if you could get some packaging that would be easier to open for those of us who make videos about your products. Come on, I cut that. Why won't it open? There we go. Okay, so there's a little multi-tool. Is there any instructions in here? Sometimes they have those. Nope, it's just cardboard. Okay, so get rid of all this cardboard here. Give me a sec. Here is the Gerber DIME multi-tool. Thank you guys for watching the unboxing of this little guy. I kind of like him already. In a week or two I'll make a video, let you know what I think of him, do my review about it. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, turn on the post notification bells, leave a comment down below, let us know what you think if you have one of these, how you like it and all that great stuff, and we will see you on the next video.